Welcome to kidglo English channel. My body parts quiz game. What part of your body do you use to see? Eyes. Your eyes blink about 15 to 20 times every minute. What helps you hear sounds? Ears. What do you use to smell things? Nose. What do you use to taste yummy food? Tongue. What do you use to walk and run? Feet. What part of your body do you use to wave hello? Hands. And now, wave hello. What part of your body holds your brain? Head. What part of your body pumps blood? Heart. Your heart beats about 100,000 times a day. What do you use to smile or talk? Mouth. What covers your body and keeps you warm? Skin.
Don't forget to subscribe the channel